Alright guys, welcome back to the series of seeing what's inside our logs. We got day 6 for you. We got a nice big hard sugar maple on the mill today, 10 feet long, about 40-inch diameter. I'm going to cut this up into some 10-quarter live edge slabs. Looks like there's some nice vigor in on this, but there's only one way to find out. Let's slice into it and see what's on the inside.
Nothing but Cornwall's greatest.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's inside this log as much as I did. A lot of nice slabs out of this, 10-quarter. Got about 10 of them. Again, this was a hard sugar maple, hence the name. A little fun fact, I'm sure 90% of you know sugar maple is where we get maple syrup. So if you see one of these sitting in your front lawn, make sure to tap it next spring and you'll get some delicious maple syrup out of it. All right guys, stay tuned for day 7. See you next time. Cheers.